Come test drive the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.